In this video, I'm going to show you how to move NinjaTrader chart. So to do this, I'm actually going to put this chart in the full screen so I can just show you how to actually move it the best way and most effectively. So of course, the default is going to be your mouse. So if you left click and drag, so if you left click and drag, you can go left and right just like this. You can go to the left and then to the right, however much you want. This same thing can be done using your mouse scroll wheel. So if you scroll down, it's going to go towards the left. If you scroll up, it's gonna go towards the right and continue on the chart just like this, okay? So that's just the basic movement. But of course, what if you want to go up or down? Now for this, you're gonna have to hold down your control key on your keyboard, and then with your left mouse click while holding the control key, you can drag around like this. So if you hold the control key, it's gonna allow you to basically freely move wherever you want on your chart, up, down, left, right, or whatever you want, okay? Without the control key, you can't go up and down, but just left and right. Now what you could also do is use this sidebar over here on the right. So if you click and drag, you can basically expand this chart or like shrink it like that as well, okay? Now that's essentially all you have to know, and if you want to expand it like that at the bottom, you could also shrink it by clicking and dragging over here on this timeline. So that's essentially how to move your NinjaTrader chart. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.